Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset mobile network on Samsung phone. Friends, you want to reset mobile network on your Samsung phone. So how to reset mobile network today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Samsung phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on general management setting. After on friends general management, you can see guys here language setting, date and time setting. So friends, you want to change any language on your device, so friends you can add language, and friends you can change any language on your Samsung phone. Friends, you want to change app language. Friends, you want to set date and time, you can set friends date and time from here. Friends, keyboard setting is here. So friends, click on reset option. Friends, you can see reset all setting. Friends, you can see reset accessibility setting, reset network setting. So friends, click on network setting. Friends, you can see mobile data setting guys. We will click here and friends click on reset option. Friends, you can see setting has been reset, and friends now you can use your mobile network setting without any problem. After that friends, you have any problem with your mobile network setting, so friends take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. So friends, you can reset your mobile network setting from your general management setting, and friends direct you can reset from here. Friends, search your reset setting. Friends, you can see reset network setting. Friends, click here. Reset setting, press mobile data setting, click here, and guys your mobile network setting will reset on your Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt on your Samsung phone, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.